How to use Grammarly on Safari for Mac. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Grammarly, how to create an account, and how to use this service. Grammarly has a free version and a paid version, so you can choose what you want. How to install Grammarly on Mac for Safari. Let's add Grammarly first to Safari on MacBook. We can go directly to the App Store and search for Grammarly. Or we can go to Safari and in the search box we can write Grammarly. Enter into site grammarly.com. Click Add to Safari. Click Get. Here, write your password or use your fingerprint ID. After the install of Grammarly is done, click on Open. You will get a pop-up like this. Click on Open Settings to enable Grammarly. Here, you will need to enable this extension by checking this checkbox. Now Grammarly is installed and ready to be used. You now get an option to sign in into an account. Please note you will not need any credit card for an account created on Grammarly. You can choose here to continue with Facebook, Google, and Apple, or you can write your email address. I will use my Google account, so I will tap Continue with Google to be easier. Select here an account or log in with one. I will use my current login. Now Grammarly for Safari is active. Let's go now on grammarly.com. We are logged on our account. You can tap on the new button and create a new document to verify directly by Grammarly the text. This will help you get a better text with fewer mistakes. But let's see how you can use Grammarly on daily comments or daily work on Safari. Let's open a video and write a comment on YouTube. I will write a comment with a word misspelled. You see, it becomes red. If you click on the red word, you will get the suggestion for a correct word. Tap on that suggestion and the word will be replaced. This is quite easy and very intuitive. You do not need to be a master of the computer to use this app. I suggest you use it on your Mac as this app has quite a lot of advantages even on a free account. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.